stand by. Station WXK42 will be up shortly.
The NOAA's National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, northeastern Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, Manhomen County in northwestern Minnesota, southeastern Norman County in northwest Minnesota, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was located near Sear, or 33 miles northwest of Detroit Lakes, moving to the east at 30 miles per hour. The tornadic storm will be near Plum around 8:05 p.m., Faith around 8:15 p.m., Manhomen and Wadman around 8:25 p.m., Metawash and Beaulieu around 8:45 p.m. If you are in the path of this tornado, abandon cars and mobile homes for a sturdy building.